Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Wells Fargo? This video breaks down the key differences to help you make the right decision. For links to relevant products and resources, check the description below. Both JPMorgan Chase and Wells Fargo are leading financial institutions with seemingly similar offerings. However, a closer look reveals distinct characteristics that cater to different financial needs. Consider your personal or business goals, account preferences, fees, branch network access, and digital tools when making your choice. JPMorgan Chase stands out with its impressive credit card portfolio, offering competitive rewards programs. A strong presence in both consumer and small business banking, coupled with a vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide, makes Chase convenient for those who value in-person services. Furthermore, Chase boasts a robust digital banking experience with a user-friendly mobile app, online budgeting tools, and seamless payment integration. If you're looking for a wide array of credit card options, frequent travel rewards, and a comprehensive suite of banking products all under one roof, Chase might be a good fit. Their business-focused services, including flexible loans, merchant services, and cash management solutions, are particularly attractive to entrepreneurs and growing businesses. Wells Fargo, alternatively, is known for its extensive branch network, which remains one of the largest in the U.S., providing convenient access in numerous regions. The bank offers diverse checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and personal loans, frequently with opportunities to waive fees by maintaining specific balances or holding multiple accounts. Wells Fargo is continually enhancing its digital tools, and its relationship-focused approach is beneficial for those who prefer personalized guidance and the convenience of widespread branch access. If in-person banking, strong mortgage products, and loyalty programs that reward long-term relationships are your priorities, Wells Fargo could be a better choice. Regarding fees and rates, both banks provide options to avoid monthly charges by meeting certain requirements and offer robust customer support through various channels. In summary, if cutting-edge credit card rewards, excellent digital platforms, and a wide range of business offerings are important to you, JPMorgan Chase may be more suitable. Conversely, if you value branch accessibility, traditional banking relationships, and a strong emphasis on mortgages, Wells Fargo could be a better match. Carefully evaluate your priorities, compare key features, and select the bank that best aligns with your financial objectives.